Gutire uregani oro wothe ukugiriria thirikari kuruta wira wayo hari kungethanira hamwe na kurugamia cikota iria cionekete mwena wa Shakahola County ya Kilifi. Uyu ni murugamo wa thirikari kuhitukira Minister ugitiri wa thiini Professor Kithure Kindiki. Kindiki ni arutete mukana kuri ahujia aria mehithanite na ciikota cia Shakahola, akiuga matikwiri cia guoko kwa watho kuona uthuthuria wigi ahujia aria maracukirwo mathomo mogomu ni wambiriirie, akiuga thirikari ndigwitikiria kwirorera wongerereku wa dini iria irarutana mathomo mogomu guku bururi-ini.
But the kind of damage Shakahola has done on Kenya, if we do not remedy and deal with this problem head on, this is the kind of threat that can hurt the country in the scale and manner in which some countries have been hurt.
Oho niongereire kuga mihango ya guthikuria miri tufuri-ini mutito-ini wa Shakahola nigacokereria muthi wa mwambiririo kiumia giukite, na thirikari ni yambikite njira ingi cia gutwarithia na mbere mihango eno.
No amount of resistance, not even by going to court and getting injunctions and having suspects freed on bail. We will use whatever method feasible as a country, because it is a shame for us collectively as a country that Shakahola happened.
Maya mahanikite riri mihango ya ikereka ria keri ya uthuthuria wa postmortem itirihirwo muthenya wa umuthi thibitari-ini wa sub-county ya Malindi ni athuthuria a miri magitongorio ni muthuthuria wa thirikari uri urugamirire mihango eno Johansen Odur.
When you look at the state of the bodies which we did autopsies on, one of the person we did autopsy on was very fresh and having died in hospital because of acute kidney failure, which was caused by dehydration after staying in hospital for about a week.
The use of Holy Scriptures will not save you from the jaws of justice. When we are done with Mackenzie and his perpetrators, we will have you as the next example.
Odur ni ugite gatagati-ini ka miri 16 ni ya arume, 9 ari ya atumia, na uguo mwiri umwe ukiaga gukurikana thutha waguo gukorwo buthite makiria, na gatagati-ini ka miri no 11 ni ya andu agima guku miri na ari ya ciana.
From what we saw, most of them were males and most of them are also adults.
Kuringana na uthuthuria uyu, Odur ni ugite andu 10 makuire kurumirira kwihinga kuria guku miri ya andu 5 ikiaga kumenyekana gitumi kia ikuũ ici, kuona miri no ni buthite. Gukinyaniria na riu miri 243 ni withikuritio mutito-ini uyu kuma riria mihango eno yambiriirie tariki 1 mweri uyu. Mihango ya gwetha andu aria mangikorwo mari muoyo mutito-ini wa Shakahola githaka-ini gia Chakama na miena iria rigiceirie rurie rwa nyamu rwa Tsavo ya irathiro no irathie na mbere.